In this video, I will guide you on how to fix voice chat not working in Claude AI app. If you're facing this problem, then the first thing you want to do is open the Claude AI application on your device. Now tap on the microphone icon right here and check if the voice recording works. If it does not, then close the Claude app completely. After that, you want to open your phone setting. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. From this list of applications, find Claude and select that. Now tap on Permissions. Here select Microphone and make sure you have selected that to allow. Then head back. Now head back again and this time select the option of Storage. Here tap on Clear Cache. Then head back. Now tap on Force Stop. Now tap on OK. Once that is done, you want to make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. For that, open Play Store or App Store. Now you want to search Claude over here. If you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Once that is done, open the app, log into your account. Now tap on the microphone icon and it should work properly. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.